Today, we dive deep into a head-to-head comparison of two giants in the all-season segment, the Michelin Cross Climate 2 and the Vredestein Quatrac Pro. Both carry the coveted three-peak mountain snowflake symbol, promising winter capability. But which one delivers the better all-around performance? Let's find out. Throughout this comparison, you'll see performance metrics represented in percentages, with the Michelin Cross Climate 2 set as the reference point at 100%. The Quatrac Pro shines in the rain, setting the standard for wet braking and handling. In wet braking, it outperforms the Cross Climate 2 by a significant 3.9 meters. With an average wet handling speed of 77.3 kilometers per hour, it outpaced the Cross Climate 2 by 5 kilometers per hour. However, the Michelin tire strikes back in straight-line aquaplaning, maintaining control at 93.1 kilometers per hour. Both tires are certified for snow use, but the Cross Climate 2 holds a slight edge. It stops 1 meter earlier in snow braking and delivers higher snow traction, with 2,995 newtons compared to the Quatrac Pro's 2,715 newtons. A small but noticeable advantage also appears in snow handling, with the Cross Climate 2 completing laps at a 0.5 kilometer per hour faster compared to Quatrac Pro. The Cross Climate 2 outperforms the Quatrac Pro in wear, with an estimated lifespan of 40,000 kilometers compared to 34,600 kilometers. This 5,400 kilometer difference means fewer replacements and better long-term value, making the Cross Climate 2 a more durable and cost-effective option for drivers covering extensive distances. When it comes to dry roads, the Michelin Cross Climate 2 takes the crown. It stops 4.4 meters shorter than the Quatrac Pro, ranking as the best in the test. It also excels in handling, clocking a slightly faster average lap speed. While the Quatrac Pro may dominate wet conditions, Michelin's dry performance leads the way. The Cross Climate 2 excels in rolling resistance with a coefficient value of 7.2, significantly better than the Quatrac Pro value of 9.2. This difference makes the Cross Climate 2 more fuel efficient, contributing to lower emissions over its lifetime. In terms of noise, however, the Quatrac Pro stands out, recording 71.4 decibels, which is 0.6 decibels quieter than the Cross Climate 2 noise level of 72 decibels, earning it the second spot in the test for exterior noise. In summary, the Vredestein Quatrac Pro excels dominantly in wet performances. Meanwhile, the Michelin Cross Climate 2 proves to be a balanced champion, excelling across dry, snow, and mileage performances. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.